Hi, today I'm here to have a discussion on the Swami Vivekananda's biography and his teachings, because all those about Swami Vivekananda are very relevant and are of great importance for today's scenario and for today's mankind. So let us come on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was not just a saint, but he was a great patriot, an articulate speaker, thinker, and writer with boundless love for humanity. He was one of the India's most revered spiritual thinker, spiritual teacher with great might, luminous personality, and exceptional talents. Swami Vivekananda was an unorthodox monk. For him, there was no religion greater than serving the poor, the ill, and the oppressed. He undoubtedly was India's first and the most successful brand ambassador, spreading the ideas of oneness and equality so far worldwide. Through his speeches and lectures, Swami Vivekananda tried to awaken consciousness among people worldwide. He said that truth is only one, and there could be different paths. Path means there could be different religious approaches to reach that ultimate truth, to reach that ultimate God. To Vivekananda, religion was not only talk, doctrine, or theory, but it was the realization of the best and the strongest power in oneself. Swami Vivekananda believed that lack of willpower is responsible for the plight of Indian society. He said that unless people come forward to solve their problems, there will not be any improvement. He also said that when the youths of the country sacrifice their comforts for their countrymen, then India will rise again. Swami Vivekananda had immense faith in the power of youths. That's why he appealed to them to come forward for the development of the nation and the society. According to him, the transformation of any one class or any one community will not change the whole country until people from all walks, people from all societies work for the same destination, for the same direction. The change will remain incomplete. So he evoked the youths, the poor, the women, the workers, and the peasants for their betterment. Swami Vivekananda was the first Indian to present the idea of India to the international audience at the Parliament of World's Religion in 1893, Chicago. His historic speech is widely celebrated as the Great Chicago's Speech. As a reformer and a saint, his words offered an unending source of inspiration for people all of the world. Let us remember through him. Let us remember him through his teachings to empower our young generation. As the people's leader says that, not my name, but my ideas should be realized. So in realizing his ideas, let us come on his teachings. His teachings are: number 1, awake, arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached. Number 2, if you think you are weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. Number 3, have faith in yourself, as all is in you, everything is in you, all power is in you. Even the poison of a snake is powerless if you can firmly deny it. And fourth one is very relevant and is of great importance, that is, take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead, and if you lose, you can guide. So these inspirations of Swami Vivekananda have the same magical effect in instilling confidence in us. In the 19th century, he spoke about the issues and subjects which are of great importance and which are very relevant than ever in today's time. So this was all about Swami Vivekananda for today. Please be associated with me further. Thank you.